Welcome again. In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to log notes, emotions, and trade setups using our interactive Telegram bot. To add a note, just type /note followed by your thoughts about the position. For example, I'll write, price left a big fair value gap on the 4-hour chart. Once you send the command, you'll choose which open position to attach it to. A confirmation message appears, and then EdgeledgerV1 asks about your emotions during the trade. I'll type patient and confident because that's how I felt. The trade is now updated with both notes and emotions. For the setup, just type /setup and select the open position. Then add your strategy in the text box. You can include as many trade setups as you like, separated by commas, since it's a multi-select field in Notion. Once confirmed, your setup is loaded just like emotions. And that's how you keep your journaling complete and disciplined. And that's it. You've documented your position with discipline and clarity. Thank you for watching.